10 tips to get order fast on Fiverr.
Your profile is your storefront on Fiverr, so make sure it looks professional and showcases your skills and experience. Use relevant keywords in your profile and gig descriptions to increase your visibility in Fiverr search results. Use high-quality images and videos in your gig descriptions to showcase your work and make it more appealing to potential clients. Specializing in a particular niche will help you stand out from the competition and attract clients who are specifically looking for those services. Set reasonable prices for your services based on your level of expertise and the amount of work required. Offer competitive packages that provide value for money and attract clients looking for more comprehensive services. Respond quickly to client inquiries and requests to show that you are reliable and responsive. Deliver high-quality work that meets or exceeds client expectations to build a positive reputation and encourage repeat business. Ask clients to leave feedback on your profile after completing a project to show that you value their opinion and to help build your reputation. Promote your Fiverr services on social media and other online platforms to reach a wider audience and attract new clients.